Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. As of today, I'm going to continue with the motor premium calculation as well as the average total claims. So both these types of calculation will be included in your final exam. And therefore, I will guide you on how to make the premium calculations. Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. We continue with the motor premium calculation. If you look at your handout given, alright guys, this is the schedule of premium. If not mistaken, it will be under page 5 or page 6 of your handout. So schedule of premium are vitally needed, important in order for you to calculate the motor premium. Okay, this is the private car motor tariff for your reference. Besides of this schedule of premium, you are also given the NCD percentage, the NCD table, from 25% until 55%. Alright. Okay, as an example, why don't we look at question number 1, motor premium calculation. Question Mak Jemah. Okay. Mak Jemah decided to buy comprehensive cover for her car. She requested an additional coverage for windscreen and flood. You may highlight this, windscreen and flood, as an additional coverage because this will determine on the premium later. Calculate the premium for the year of 2015 based on the following details. The car model is Proton Iris, so Mak Jemah is driving a Proton Iris. Year made 2010, purchase year 2010. You may highlight the purchase year because this purchase year will reflect the CC of the car when we are going to calculate the motor premium. Classes of vehicle is private car. Types of cover, comprehensive. So for your syllabus, I am only look at the comprehensive cover. If you look at the table just now, they are comprehensive cover as well as third party and act only. So in this case, we are using on comprehensive only. Okay. So we look again at the question. Cubic capacity 1600, 1.6 cc, Proton Iris. Sum covered, sum insured is actually the value of the car, which is 55,000. And there is the sum insured of the windscreen 600. Windscreen harga cermin hadapan. Okay. Extra coverage windscreen 90 ringgit. Where do we get actually this 90 ringgit? It is 15% from 600. And flood 275, 0.5% from the sum insured. Sum insured is actually the value of the car, not the windscreen sum covered. Okay, so for this case, there are some questions not giving exactly the values of the additional coverage. For example, this one 90 ringgit. There are some questions only give the percentage. So you need to calculate it by yourself, 15% times with the windscreen sum covered. Same goes with the flood. But flood, we're not going to calculate based on windscreen sum covered, but based on the price of the car. Okay. So how are we going to calculate this? If you look at page 6, okay, they are the formulas given here, but I'm going to show you on Mak Jemah only. Okay, so okay, we continue with the question number 1 on Mak Jemah, private car tariffs, schedule of premium. I believe all of you already have your own handout. So, with regard to Mak Jemah question, Majma decides to buy comprehensive cover for her car, and then she requested additional coverage for windscreen and flood. This is important point, the additional coverage. If there is no additional coverage, then step 3 will be skipped. Calculate the premium for the year 2015 based on the following details. Car model is Proton Iris. Majma is driving a Proton Iris. Year made 2010. Purchase year is 2010. Purchase year is important in order to identify the NCD, the no claim discount, how much premium should be given, because we want to compare the purchase year as well as the premium for the particular years. Classes is private car. Types of cover, comprehensive. Just like if you look at the schedule of premium, we have comprehensive, third party and act only. But in your syllabus, we are looking at the comprehensive schedule of premium only. So the sum covered of the car is 55,000. Sum covered, sum insured is actually the value of the car, the value of the Proton Iris. Windscreen sum covered is the price of the windscreen, the front screen of the car. Extra coverage, windscreen 90 ringgit, flood 275. How do we get 275? 0.5% times sum insured, which is the 55,000, the value of the car. But for windscreen, you cannot times with the sum covered. You must look at the windscreen sum covered. But in this case, the question has calculated for you, and they already have the round numbers on 90 ringgit as well as 275 ringgit. As for stamp duty, it is normal, RM 10 ringgit, and the service tax is 6%. So how are we going to calculate on Mak Jemaah Motor? This is the step-by-step process. Just if you look at the formula, okay, there are 5 steps altogether. You must memorize all, meaning that you need to hafal lah benda ni, because it will not be provided in the final exam. Formula mesti hafal. Step 1, determine gross premium. BP plus 26. BP is actually the basic premium. How are we going to calculate, or how are we going to identify the basic premium? In this case, I got 305 ringgit and 50 cent. So basic premium, you must look at the cubic capacity, CC of the car. In this case, Mak Jemaah is driving Proton Iris with CC of 1600. So what you need to do is, you look at the schedule of premium. 1600 supposed to be fall under this range. So 0 until 1400, 273.80 cents. 1401 until 1650, 305.50 cents. 1651 until 2200, 339 and 10 cents. So 1600 supposedly fall under the range of 1401 until 1650. So the basic premium for Iris is 300 ringgit 5 and 50 cents. So 26 times 55%, sum insured, we know that sum insured is 55,000, which is the value of the car, minus 1,000 divided by 1,000. Where do we get this 26? The 26 is actually the tariff that has been set by Bank Negara. So this is the exact calculation, or the exact what we call it, formula in order to calculate the private car 26. So 305 and 50 cent plus 1404, and you will get 1709 and 50 cents. For step 2, calculate the gross premium minus NCD. So after you get the first step, which is 1709.50 cent, you remark it as A. So A is 1709.50 cents minus 55%. How do I get this 55%? How do I get this 55%? I got it from here. If you look at the question, the purchase year is 2010, and the question asks you to calculate the premium for the year of 2015. So from 2010 until 2015, how many years it will take? Normally I will just use or calculate it by using my fingers. 2010, 2011, 2012, 2014, 2015. So how much is it? It's supposed to be 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So after 5 years. For example, the question is purchase year 2013. Calculate the premium for the year of 2015. So 2013 until 15, you skip 13, you straight 14, 15. Just like I clicked just now for Mak Jemah, 2011, 2012, 2013, 2014, 2015. So after 2015, the NCD should be 55% here. If you look here, the NCD after 5 years is 55%. So that is how we get the NCD percentage. In other words, the simplest way is NCD percentage. You look at the purchase year as well as the year that the question asks you to calculate. So now 1709.50 cents minus 55% from the basic premium, you got 940.23 cents. So 1709.50 cents deduct 940.23, you got 769.28. So you got step 2. On the step 3, calculate the premium plus extra coverage. Just now on the question, Mak Jemah is asking for additional coverage on windscreen and flood. So windscreen and flood, normally the details will be given in the question. So windscreen 90 ringgit and flood is 275. So how to calculate? B plus EC. EC is the extra coverage. So in this case, the extra coverage taken by Mak Jemah is on flood and the windscreen, which is 90 ringgit for flood, and the 275 is the windscreen. So total up, you will get 1134.28. So you are finished with step 3. Now we move to step 4. Calculate the premium. Step 4 is simple. What you got from C, you just add on with the stamp duty on 10 ringgit. So 1134.28 plus 10, you got 1144.28. As simple as that. Okay. Now, the last step, calculate premium plus service tax. Before this, we've been charged with GST, but still the same. The service tax is 6%. So D plus 6%. 1,144 ringgit, 0.28 plus 6% from the premium. Then you get 68.66. After you total up every single thing, this is the final answer. 1,202.94. So if you have any difficulties with the calculation, please let me know. This is the motor premium calculation. We will discuss on the average total claim shortly. Okay, we will continue on the average total claim. This is completely different with the motor premium calculation. Normally in the final exam, it will either ask on the average total claim or the motor premium calculations. I'll normally not include both types of calculation, but it is important for you to know, to analyze for these two types of calculation. Now, average total claims. We look at Osman Kutuku case. He's covered his Toyota Alphard for 100,000. The market value of the car is 135,000. He met with an accident and the workshop quoted 40,000 for the repair, assuming that the excess is 500. Why do we want to calculate average total claims? Because normally the case is when the insured, which is the participant, Osman Kutuku, covering his car less than the market value. The market value at that time is 135. However, he only insure less than the market value, which is at 100,000. So instead of giving full payment, what Takaful operator will do is they will pay on average total claim basis. This is the formula. Average total claim. The amount of loss times sum insured of the car divide by the market value. So in other words, sum insured divide by market value times the amount of loss, and you will deduct the excess if any. So in the case of Osman Kutuku just now, Osman is insuring his car at 100,000 and the market value of the car is 135,000, meaning that the sum insured is less than the market value. That's why the average total claim basis will take place. So times 40,000 excess. Where do we get the excess? Only if the question asks or the question mentioned on the excess. Here it is. Assuming that the excess is 500 ringgit. If there is no excess stated here, then you just deduct 0. Meaning that the excess are not being charged. So after you calculate, you will get 29,629.63 minus or deduct the 500, which is the excess. You will get 29,129.63. That is only first step. You must show step-by-step process. Why? Because each and every single step will consist a mark here, here, and here. Question number 2. How much will Osman Kutuku pay for? How much will Osman Kutuku pay using his own money? The formula are simple. The amount of loss, which is 40,000, which has been stated in the question, divide by 29,129.63. Where do we get this number? This actually reflects to the first step, the first answer that we get. 29,129.63. So 40,000 minus from 1, step 1, you will get 10,870 ringgit 0.37 cent. So that would be the final answer for the average total claim. I believe the average total claim is much simple compared to the motor premium calculation. However it is, please, you must memorize both formula because the formula will not given in the final exam. And please proceed with the other question given in my handout, and inshallah we will continue it in our class very soon. Thank you for watching this video. You may ask any question if you not understand through the Google Classroom as well as our Padlet. Thank you so much guys. Have a nice day. Assalamualaikum.